Dear traders, in this video I am going to show you the real Forex robot that is very profitable, and that's what I am using on my real account as well. So guys, this is the robot. This is the today's income 312.67 added by the robot, and let me show you about its open trades at the moment. So guys, basically I'm using this robot on 6 pairs at the moment. You can see AUD CHF, AUD USD, Euro CHF, Euro USD, AUD CAD and Euro Great Britain Pound. However, I will advise you as per your investment that how many pairs you can run safely with this robot. So guys, please make sure that you must watch the full video so that you can understand that how the robot actually works. The name of our robot is Smart Hedging Board. So basically it works on a hedge and martingale basis. So let me show you its results, because this is not even only up to today. This robot is providing us a very good profit even from the last month, and our testing results were also very good. So let me show you, go to the custom period, and if we go for the weekly history, then you will be able to see that how much profit it made over the week. So let me scroll it down so that I can show you. So guys, this is the profit 13143. So please note that guys, this is the profit with the high risk ratio, because previously I was using this robot on an aggressive setting. It has basically three types of settings: aggressive, medium risk level and the low risk level. It depends on you, on your investment, that how much safely you want to use this robot. So this is the weekly result so far. So if I go to the custom period again, and if I choose it on the last month, and then we see how it performed. So let it load the history, because sometimes you know that the brokers give a problem. Okay, so if we go to the last month's history, then guys, this is the profit 15514.67, and that's extremely reasonable, and you can say that this is a very good profit, and even the floating is very less at the moment. And guys, again I'm repeating, this is not a demo account, this is the real account. Okay, so for example, if you're starting this robot with the $2,000 to $3,000, then you can just use two pairs, which is Euro Great Britain Pound and AUD CHF, because they are low volatile pairs and they will be much good. Okay, so right now you can see that I'm using on a 15-minute time frame. So you can also use on a 1 hour time frame if you want to see a medium risk, and if you want to just avoid a medium risk, then you can go for the low risk, then you can use it on a 4 hour. However, when I'm comfortable, I'm using on a 1 hour and the 15-minute time frame, and it's going extremely fine. Okay guys, we have a proper licensing system for this robot, so you can get this robot for us, and you can contact through email. You can also contact on Telegram or WhatsApp. We have provided all links in the description of this video. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with the other traders. Thank you very much.